Vishal Bhardwaj is saying कि इस बारी तारे नहीं चांद जमीन पर उतरा. It's a free country. Anybody can say anything in this. जबान पर लगाम नहीं है. So it's open. If anybody wishes to give anybody good wishes, सर आंखों पर ना दो तो भी भला, दो तो भी भला. ये अच्छी बात है.
Hi, welcome to Bollywood Now. Rajshri.com. Today we have with us the immensely talented and the very popular Amol Gupte of Tare Zameen Par fame. He is now coming forth with his Stanley Ka Dabba, and let's speak with him about the same.
Hi.
Hello. Sir, you started off with the very stupendously successful Tare Zameen Pe, and now you're out with Stanley Ka Dabba. A lot of similarities between the two, especially, the child artist, the childhood, the emotional quotient. Tell us, how different is Stanley Ka Dabba from TZP?
It is different because these are two different subjects. The commonality would be children. Because I will not move away from children, I am addressing children's concerns to the nation. And it is, therefore, the similarity is children, but it ends there. Tare Zameen Par had serious agony about a child who's being pressed from all corners by the system, by the education system, and therefore by the parents and the teachers and others. In Stanley Ka Dabba, we are celebrating the human spirit. And that human spirit, it belongs to children as little as 8 and 8.5. These little children are meant to entertain you, and they are not few. There are 500 of them. And their smiles are hidden in that dabba. When it's dabba, that means it's food. It means tiffin box, which is your child's tiffin box. So along with the tiffin box and the food in it is also hidden the mother's love, which she packs happily and readily every morning for her child, be it a boy or a girl. Going to school, not just with a tiffin box, but a tiffin box full of love, mother's love, father's love in some cases, like mine. But even better, and a purpose for the film, is the way the film has been made, the process. Because I have seen a lot of unjustful usage of children in reality shows, in cinema, in advertising films, where children are bearing the load of time, sometimes 12 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours a day, and days on end, because the schedules are 1 month long, 2 months long. Children are losing school time. I'm not bothered overtly about the education lost during those times. Of course, that also counts. But it is about losing the bondage with same age friends. This bonding, which is required for a child to be healthy, to remain a child, gets snatched away if you are on a set with adults and days on end. Though there might be a tutor, which means after 12 hours of shooting, does a child also start doing mugging up sessions? I mean, that would be really mean on the child, to the child. So I thought, let me put my money where my mouth is, because I was feeling a little uncomfortable with the way adults in our nation look at children in the media. So I decided that the children should be from the school, which means you write a story in such a way that children are in one place, their own. It's their kingdom, their school. So which means choose one school. Don't choose children. Let them come in voluntarily and go out voluntarily. So there's no attendance register. So Saturday to Saturday for 4 hours with 2 recesses hidden, big recesses. Most of the recesses were short also, because that's about food and tiffin boxes. And this is how we have created the film. After 1.5 years we had a film. After all these Saturdays and some vacation days. And I feel that we have a heartfelt, close to life, pristine children's document, which is emotional. It can really take the tears out of your eyes, and it can bring huge amounts of laughter. So much so that your stomach might start, rippling with laughter. So this is what Stanley Ka Dabba is. It sets an example how to film children in very short spurts. And this is not done for the first time. Although in cinema in India it has been done for the first time. If you go to the US of A and if you're shooting with children, automatically there is a law which supports this, and you can't shoot with children for more than 5.5 hours, and you have to have breaks. So I've reduced that 5.5 hours to 4 hours, 4.5 hours with 2 breaks to set an example here. And from this, with nice 6 songs and heartwarming performances by children, this Stanley Ka Dabba is really special. And if you have a heart, even a small piece of heart, if you think you have, then this film is for you. But if you don't have a heart, don't come inside. There is nothing for you in this film. So jinko heart nahi hai, those who are cold, people who are maybe want just an item number or something from the entertainment point of view, this Stanley Ka Dabba will not entertain you. So please don't spoil the fun for other people.
Talking about it being a very heartwarming film, to it, having a very heart-rendering emotions. A lot of Bollywood biggies we've seen in the newspapers have come out and commented about it. They've probably happened to see a special screening or something of that sort. Karan Johar, Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Shahid Kapoor, they've all gone out of their way and have supported Stanley Ka Dabba. What do you have to say? Does that really make a huge difference to have these, bigger voices passing their opinion on the film, or talking so well about your venture, saying that it's really that good? Vidhu Vinod Chopra has said it's magic. So what do you have to say about that?
See, I personally would not like to put the cart before the horse, because it would mean that I'm so egocentric, but I'm not. I'm being pragmatic. I'm being serious about what other filmmakers who are my friends, who I have shared the dabba with, and what do they feel. So if Vishal Bhardwaj is saying कि इस बारी चांद नहीं, इस तारे नहीं, चांद जमीन पर उतरा, तो वो क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं? या करण क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं? या तरुण मनसुखानी क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं? विधु विनोद चोपड़ा ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं? जादू है। ये सारे फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, ये जानते हैं कि फ्लोर पर जाना किस मर्ज की दवा है। कुंदन शाह, जिन्होंने जाने भी दो यारो बनाई, उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसी फिल्म मैंने कभी देखी नहीं है। तो ये बड़ी बड़ी बातें जो इस छोटी सी फिल्म के बारे में हो रही है, इससे मेरा सीना तो बहुत चौड़ा हो रहा है। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये तो वही गंगा नहा लिए, अब इसके आगे जो होगा देखा जाएगा। अब कुछ नहीं कर सकता। इतने तक लाया हूं मैं कि इतने लोगों को मैं मूव कर पाया हूं, और ये मेरे स्नेही हैं और मैं उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट करता हूं उनके काम की वजह। तो जब व्हेन दिस हैपेंस टू मी, आई एम ओवरवेल्म्ड, एंड आई होप that what they speak is the truth. और अगर वो सत्य है तो then people will also say the same thing.
But in any case, do you think that making Stanley Ka Dabba in such a creative manner, you have only shot it with kids, with their study schedule not getting interrupted, with shooting only on weekends, giving them the proper breaks, and still managing to make an entire feature film out of this. Do you think this creative presentation was a product of you not being entirely using your creativity in Tare Zameen Par, or you were in any way restricted in terms of your creativity at the time of making Tare Zameen Par, that Stanley Ka Dabba has happened so cutting edge?
No, I understand your point. Deepthi, I take your point fully, and I assign to it also. Because there I was not the producer. And I'm not blaming any producer. I'm saying that is the wreath which every producer is following. Yeah. AKP is doing no different. Right. Or it is not about AKP at all. It is about, in my sense of empowerment, which I can give myself when I'm producing. चाहे वो वड़ा पाव प्रोडक्शन हो या मूंगफली प्रोडक्शन हो, चाहे हमारे पास ना स्पॉट बॉयज हैं, ना प्रोडक्शन वाले हैं, ना कुछ है, हम 5 वॉलंटियर्स हैं सिर्फ, और वर्कशॉप की तरह ये कर रहे हैं। और उसमें से अगर फिल्म बन जाती है तो वो सोने पे सुहागा है. बट प्रोसेस को करेक्ट रखना ये हमारे लिए सबसे अहम बात थी कि बच्चों को इससे ज्यादा ना रखें, सिर्फ उनके स्कूल में रखें. अगर छोटा मोटा डबिंग भी अगर हो तो डबिंग स्कूल में होगा, स्टूडियो नहीं ले जाएंगे उनको, क्योंकि अगर उनको स्टूडियो दिखा दिया तो फिर वो एक्टिंग वाली बात हो गई, ये फिल्म वाली बात हो गई. काउंसलिंग कितना किया है बच्चों का और उनके पेरेंट्स का कि अगर कल जो है आपने होर्डिंग देख लिया तो सर में हवा जा सकती है, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप ही देन हो भारत देश की, तो पेरेंट्स को ऐसा लगेगा कि चलो अभी इसको इस्तेमाल करेंगे. तो बच्चे को इस्तेमाल मत करो. मैं अपने बच्चे को इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहा हूं, आप अपने बच्चे को मत इस्तेमाल करो, क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत माल मत्ता भी आ सकती है, लेकिन बच्चे का जो चाइल्डहुड है वो सदा के लिए निकल जाएगा, वो आप उसको वापस नहीं दे सकते. सो चाइल्डहुड इज अ वन फेज विच कैन नॉट बी इंटरप्टेड, एंड इफ यू टेक द चाइल्ड आउट एंड गो फॉर 2 month शेड्यूल्स, देन द चाइल्ड सारे जो चाइल्ड स्टार्स हैं, बेबी सारिका हो या सारे जितने हनी डेजी, जितने आज तक के जो जितने चाइल्ड स्टार एक्टर्स जो हैं उनके साथ यही हुआ है. दे लॉस्ट देयर एजुकेशन. तो अगर आपका एजुकेशन आपके हाथ से जाएगा, आप बोले नहीं वो प्राइवेट ट्यूटर की बातें मुझे मत सुनाइए, वो अच्छा नहीं लगता.
Did having Partho in the movie, your son is starring in the movie, did having him on board involve any risk on your part as a parent, since you're so sure that your son's education or any child artist's education is not to suffer, or childhood per se has not got to suffer? Did that involve any risk in you having involved him in an entire feature film based on him?
Not at all, because the same rules which is for every child is for every child. So Partho, just because he's my son, he's not going to get any other trouble from me. As a parent, I'm not going to trouble him. I'm going to be with the other children and him on an equal basis. And from here on, I know that how much value and worth people give children who are discovered in cinema. So there's a complete no-no for any such venture. You bring in a venture which is so politically correct the way I have done it. You bring it on Saturday. You bring it as a 4-hour shift. The minute ये 2-3 clauses अगर मेरे सुनेंगे ना तो भाग जाएंगे लोग. Because people don't have that much sensitivity for children.
But why did you decide on having Partho in Stanley Ka Dabba, and when the boy is equally endearing as Darshil was? Why did you not ever think of having him in Tare Zameen Par? He would have probably played an endearing, charming little boy equally well.
Actually, there's a small shot of his back to camera where he's playing the elder brother and he's taking the little brother in the school. Just one little shot in the memory of the mother in the VHS that she's watching. He's there, but his back is to camera. But he was too young. He was barely 4.5. And education begins only after 6. And all this dyslexia thing is only after. That's why he was not ready for that part, I can say. And but despite him not being ready for the part, he was always an available cue master for rehearsals. So if Darshil was not coming and only Sachet, the elder brother, was there, and if the rehearsals were between 2 brothers, he'd play the younger brother. बड़ा भाई नहीं आया तो एक को बुलाते थे, सबको एक साथ बुलाना अच्छा नहीं था. So he used to double up for the other guy, give the cues. राजन दामोदरन दोस्त का क्यू दे देगा, ऐसे सारे रोल करता था वो.
But while talking about Darshil Safari, when he was last seen in Zokamon, we'd even seen Amir Khan promoting him. Apparently TZP fame just wasn't enough, and then Amir Khan came around to promote his discovery for his next venture. Any such hopes from Amir when it comes to promoting Stanley Ka Dabba? After all, it was Amir's directorial that was pushed only by you. So any hopes in seeing Amir putting a word forward to the audience to come and watch Stanley Ka Dabba?
It's a free country. Anybody can say anything in this. Zaban par lagam nahi hai. So it's open. If anybody wishes to give anybody good wishes, sir aankhon par. न दो तो भी भला, दो तो भी भला, ये अच्छी बात है.
Lastly, we'd like to know what's happening next. Amolji, are we going to see another childhood enlightening film or something that speaks or brings children in a special light again?
Yes, I would continue that endeavor because there are many, many purposes to be tabled. And we've just gone 2. There would be 20. एक बार मैंने बोला था 1760 हैं तो 1760 subjects to table about children. One lifetime is not enough, but we'll try and achieve enough in that much that is allowed to us. Yeah.
Thank you for speaking with us, Amolji. It was indeed a pleasure. We at Rajshri.com wish Stanley Ka Dabba all the best, and we wish you all the success.
Thank you, Dipti.